Hello again. Today a grammar lesson looking at prepositions using the word drive. I'm going to do that because next few lessons, if I get them ready, will be about holidays. So we drive to our destination, a place. So think of the places that we can drive to. Okay, so let's think of the places we can drive to, and if you're young, we can drive to school. We can drive to the city. We can drive to the mall. These are all places. We can drive to maybe a different country, and then choose the country that you want to drive to if you can. The only countries that I can drive to is Scotland, Wales, or Ireland if you go further west. If you live in Asia, you can drive to many different countries around there. Okay? So drive, preposition is to, drive to a place. Okay? Different subject I've looked at is you. Okay? You, same verb we're looking at today is drive. You drive on, and it's a thing. So I'm driving. What am I driving on? What am I on? Because that's a preposition, on. What am I driving on? Okay, if I'm in the car, I would drive on a road, or I would drive on the highway. That's American, or if it's British English, you would drive on the motorway. Motorway, British English, highway is American English. You would drive on a road. Just those few words, driving on something. You can drive on dirt if you're in a 4x4 vehicle. You could drive on sand if you are in the desert and you are in a buggy. You can drive on sand. So there's only two preposition words we're looking at today, to and on, using our verb drive. So today's been a preposition lesson. Look at the structure of our sentences we've been creating today. Subject plus the verb plus the preposition and the noun, if you want to have a noun. Okay? The thing, the road, the place is the noun. Okay? You can't just have I drive to and then nothing else. I drive on, nothing else. You have to have the noun to create your full sentence. So we've looked at different places using to, and we've used different things that we can drive on. To is going from a place to a destination. So I'm going to the other side of my board. Okay? I'm going to walk to school. So we can also use walk in this lesson today. Walk. I'm going to walk to school. I'm going to walk to the city. I'm going to walk to the mall. Now, walk on. Can you walk on the road? If it's safe, I would walk on the road. But because we're walking, I would use the path, British English, or in American English, we use the word sidewalk. Okay, so walk on, walking on the path, walking on the sidewalk, walk on the road, only if it's safe. Walk on dirt, walk on sand. You can also walk on grass. Okay? So that's our little brief lesson for today, just on prepositions to and on, and we've used two verbs to drive and walk. Okay, just a quick grammar lesson today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you found the lesson useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. A lot of people are making nice comments on that, asking for more different things. If you want an extra topic, just send me a message. Yeah, send me a message and I will get back to you and create a lesson on the topic. Just a quick shout out. I want to say hi to Sanskriti, who I know that watches this channel quite often, and hi to Huri as well, because she watches it. Yeah, so a big hi to those two, because I know they're quite regulars to my channel now. If you want to shout out, just send me a message saying that you really enjoy my lessons and my videos, and I'll give your name a shout out too. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.